Right now, I'm getting ready for work and I have to go prepare something to eat real quick. So, I'm gonna be sauteing some vegetable, just some onions and bell pepper and jalapeno. I have to do this real quick. I was trying to leave in the house at 7 o'clock, but I was trying to leave the house at 7 o'clock, but time running out on me. So I have to do this real quick. I already had put the tater tots in the oven before I went in the shower. Right now I'm just chopping some vegetables, guys. Chopping some vegetables. I'm gonna run through this real quick. Because I'm doing some bell pepper as well. I was gonna make coffee at home, but I'm thinking I might go to Dunkin' Donuts and get an iced coffee because my building now they changed the policy. Well, the policy was like this pre-COVID, right? Where you could bring anything inside the building. You could just bring anything inside the building, but now they changed it to where you have to have specific stuff. Like I can't bring my coffee mug in anymore. I have to have a clear container. But the thing with clear container is not gonna keep. And I normally make me a big mug of coffee for my mornings. I could sip on and get through my day. Now they're telling me so. Now they're saying we can't do that. So this makes me want to. Now I'm gonna do some editing. This made me want to just buy a iced coffee, a large iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts because it lasts longer, you know. Instead of me making my mug and I have to drink it within 15 minutes of me getting to work. And sometimes some of my coffee end up go to waste because a little bit of oil. Some of my coffee just go to waste because I have to leave my container cup. Some days I take the chance because I have this relationship with the security guard where I just put the coffee cup in my bag, you know. But some days I don't know who I'm gonna get. What if I get the, you know? So I just don't want to chance it. Put up the stove really high. The cuts are done. And here I have some jalapeno I'm gonna add to it. This is just something I came up with and I actually like it. I've made it a couple times before, you know. Add a little kick to it. To be enough. Oh, a little bit of salt. And some paprika. And some black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out. I'm gonna wash the pot real quick. I'm gonna be scrambling these eggs. Alright. Meanwhile that's doing the do, I'm gonna start to build my container. This is probably 3 serving, guys. Don't judge me. I be hungry. All right. All right. I wanna feel like heat with somebody. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head. I wanna dance with somebody. Oh, I know why. It's because of the new Whitney Houston movie that's coming out. I'm probably not gonna watch it until it come out. Maybe if it comes out on Peacock, but I will go to the movies and watch it. Have you guys saw Wakanda? Forever. Wakanda forever. I haven't seen it yet. Every week I'm off, I'm like, I'm gonna go watch it, I'm gonna drop my kids to school and then my baby's gonna go watch it. My older daughter went with her friends to see it though, but I haven't seen it yet. But it's something that I have to go see. Alright, I'm gonna be adding the eggs on top of the tater tots. Alright, and this is what it's looking like so far. I'm gonna wash this pot real quick because I have to melt some cheese. So now we're gonna add the vegetables, you know. Ooh, look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Alright guys, now I'm gonna melt some cheese real quick. I still use vegan cheese because I don't know, I just like it better. I'm not strictly vegan anymore, but I'm hoping I can get back to that part. But pregnancy and all that, I don't know how some people do it, but me, I wanted everything to eat and I ate everything. You know what I'm saying? And then it's hard to go back now. But I know I just gotta put my mind to it, right? If I want to do it, but I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm thinking I'm gonna stick with the shrimp. Because the other day, oh my God, I tried this shrimp, what do you call that thing? Shrimp omelette, shrimp and crabs. Lord. So now we're gonna melt some cheese, guys. But yeah, that shrimp and crabs was everything. Oh my gosh. And I still do the oat milk, but sometimes I put some carnation milk if I'm making some cornmeal. I put carnation milk because it tastes good with the cornmeal. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I put these in the microwave since yesterday. Ooh. I put those in the microwave since yesterday to sanitize, but I was able to get back to them because, you know, you have a crying baby. You got time to do all that. Alright, make sure there's a little milk. A little cheese. I don't know if you guys know, but vegan cheese just don't melt like regular cheese do, you know. So you just gotta improvise. So that's what I've been doing, and it tastes good to me. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. I want it a little runny, that's why. I don't want it too thick. Because you know it's gonna thicken out, right? It's gonna thicken out as it sits there, because I'm not gonna eat it now, I'm gonna eat it later. What time is it? Right? So that's the cheese. Oh, I wish I could show you guys. I'm gonna put this bowl here. I'm gonna put this on here so you guys can see it. Ooh, yes. Pour that cheese all over it. Ah, yes. This thing be hitting all the right spot. Let me tell ya, it really be good. Ain't gonna lie. But you know what my saying is? I feel like, I mean, I could come up with recipes and stuff. It's just, I don't know. I be saying, whenever I do something and people like it, I be like, everything I touch turn to butter. It should be gold, but I say butter. But yeah, guys, that was quick. That was quick. Turn off this stove. I'm just gonna wash out this stuff real quick. Because I know if I leave them here, they're gonna stay here until I get home this evening. Alright, guys, this is the finished product. Don't it look good? So good. I will try it, but I don't want to try it. You know what I'm saying? But it's good. This is not my first time making it, right? But anyway, I was gonna make this piece of the vlog that's I'm gonna post, but I'm just gonna make this video because it's 13 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just make this a quick video. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.